Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a world-class ERP solution. What does that mean? It's a cloud-based solution to run your business, whether it's purely just the financial side of the business you want to run, whether it's financials and distributions, whether it's manufacturing, service. There are components to all of that become really the heart of the business.
Dynamics 365 Business Central is Microsoft's small to medium business ERP solution for clients to run in a SaaS environment, which really means that it's software as a service being hosted by Microsoft. It's a great ERP solution where a customer and a client can really run their business day-to-day tasks within that solution.
Business Central itself, in name, is probably 6 years old. You have 35 years of heritage and technology and feature functionality that we brought along and Microsoft made available in Business Central. It's a new name, but it's a very established product with some unbelievable core functionality. And where you really see it shine is that it was built in a way that ISVs, or independent software vendors, other solutions can be added on very, very easily. So you have the core of Business Central, which is powerful. And if you're unique to some situation, whether it's Canadian payroll, you can find an application for that, an app in the app source, and bolt it right onto Business Central and build this Lego block that works very seamlessly together when new versions come out.
That solution is all hosted by Microsoft, which means you are not responsible for having to maintain systems. You're not having to worry about upgrades, updates. The product itself, every month, has monthly updates. It has twice a year major updates, which again is great because without you having to schedule downtime to do upgrades, that information just rolls out to you and you get new feature functionality. And that solution is also offered as a subscription. So instead of paying a large upfront cost at the beginning, you pay a monthly subscription and your end users have the ability to use that to run their day-to-day business. Dynamics 365 Business Central really allows an ERP company to keep their business running efficiently and effectively. So as they are working with their customers, they can bill them, they can enter invoices, they can sell products, they can sell services, they can track inventory, and they can work with their vendors. Other benefits using Dynamics 365 Business Central would be reporting, having the ability to quickly and easily expand into other areas. So as, again, your company grows, instead of having to search out a whole new solution, you might just be adding new areas of the ERP solution into your day-to-day business. So scalability, being able to add new users quickly and easily by just adding to your subscription. One great thing about having Microsoft hosting those solutions is very high service level agreements, which means that they are saying that your solution is going to be up 99.9% of the time. Things are always up to date, so you don't have to worry about security risks. That is all being maintained by Microsoft.